welcome back to my channel Disha Learning Videos, and in today's video we are going to learn letters and their sounds. So it's a playway method of learning and you need little assistance from your parents and from your brothers and sisters, but you'll learn a lot. And if you like my video, please do share it, do subscribe it, and just press the like button. Okay, so let's see how we can do this activity.
You can see that in this activity what I have done, I have created a puzzle with the help of a paper plate. Okay, and I cut this paper plate into two halves like this. So in first side I had written capital letter and on the other side I had written the sound of that letter. A says A. So you have to cut it in a puzzle way. Okay, now you have to solve it. You have to first mix it. You can select all the letters and their sound which we have done so far. Okay, now ask the child to pick letter P. And what is the sound of letter P? So they have to match. No, this is A. So we have to match P with letter, this letter P with sound P. See, it's completed, right? Same way, if he is choosing letter A, then you have to match with the sound A. So A says no, this is not matching. Yes, here it is. See, A says A. Okay, so do this activity and recognize the letter and their sound. Bye bye.